right, today's our business spotlight is with Mike Burke with Rosborough and Company. So here's Mike Burke. Mike, who are you?
Well, Rosborough and Company is a solicitor's firm, which means that we don't do any litigation. We don't go to court. We only do things that a solicitor would do, such as real estate, wills and estates, company law, real estate development.
So Mike, today we want to talk about wills and estates. And what 3 tips would you want to give our clients out there about wills and estates?
Well, first of all, everybody needs a will. If you don't have a will, the property is going to pass according to the government's rules and not according to what you want. Secondly, it's going to be a lot faster if you have a will than if you don't have a will, because if you have a will, then you go through probate. But if you don't have a will, you have to do letters of administration, and that procedure is more complicated, it's more expensive, and it takes longer to do. You don't need to have either. You don't need to have a will if you don't have any assets. So, if you have absolutely nothing in the world to leave to anybody, fine, you don't need a will.
So what pitfalls would there be that we need to tell my clients about in wills and estates? What's the pitfalls?
Well, for one thing, you've got to make sure that the alternate executive you appoint, or the executive that you appoint in your will, is prepared to act. There's no point in creating a document, appointing somebody to do a job, and having them say, no, I don't want to do it. And the same with appointing a guardian for your children. If they're not prepared to act as guardians, then you've wasted everybody's time and you haven't accomplished what you want. But there are many, many, many pitfalls when it comes to drawing a will and preparing a will. And it really needs a lot of consultation and conversations with the lawyer to sit down, figure out what you got, how you're going to dispose of it, and how you're going to get to the place you want to get to.
Great. Hey Mike, I just want to thank you today for letting us spotlight your business here. Thank you very much for listening. Larry Siebert, Remax.